Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into a new impact socket set that I got from Casoman. So if you guys follow the channel, especially my Friday Amazon tool deal videos, you might have seen me mention this brand a couple of times as a very affordable tool brand that is very popular on Amazon. Obviously this is upside down to you guys right now, but I have to be able to open it. So it does come in this little blow molded case. The hinges seem to be, you know, decent quality. I've seen worse, I've seen better, not bad. So this is their 49 piece 3H drive impact socket set. So just opening it up, it's all going to be in the bottom, nothing up top. Everything that is included in the set. Now I did just get this a couple days ago. These things are lubricated extremely well to prevent rust and all of that while it's not being used. Now this is going to be both metric and SAE. It's going to be both shallow and deep well sockets. You get a 3 and 6 inch extension as well as a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter for your impact driver. Then you have your 1/2 inch to 3/8 reducer and a 3/8 universal joint. And it is a pinned style. So I don't know how well you can see it, the light reflecting off all the oil that's on the sockets, but for the SAE in both shallow and deep over here, 5/16 to 3/4, 5/16 to 3/4. So the same sizes, both shallow and deep. And for the metric, you have 8 through 22 in both shallow and deep. And as far as I'm aware, it only skips the 20 millimeter, which is pretty good. A lot of sets around this price range are going to have multiple skips. So the fact that the 20 is the only one missing, I am perfectly okay with that, especially in this price range. Now we're just taking a quick look at them right now, but I am going to use these probably, I want to try and use them for at least 2 or 3 weeks and then come and finish this video to let you guys know how they hold up. I have my new project car, so I am doing quite a bit to it, so I'll be using a lot of this over the next couple weeks to see how they perform, and I'm going to try and specifically use this set just to see how they do. But they are a 6-point design. You do have those radiused corners and that chamfered edge. That bottom lip is a decent ways down there. You also have that chamfer on the bottom. It is both stamped, size marking, and laser engraved. And then these are chrome vanadium, and they use a black phosphate finish to prevent rust and corrosion on these sockets. Now, one thing you'll see in cheaper impact socket sets is instead of doing something like this, where they neck it down for the smaller sizes, this is going to help you get into recessed areas, or when you have a fastener that's recessed in somewhere, you can get into tighter spaces with sockets of this design where it's necked down. But on a lot of the cheaper sets, you're going to get something that is more of like a taper, so it's kind of slanted. So with this, you can slightly see it. This one is slightly tapered, but they also use a lot less material down here on the bottom for the Casoman set compared to the Matco. But if we go down to even the smaller size, you can see the neck down a little bit easier, a little bit more of an aggressive angle there. But that's where you're going to find your biggest difference. They did do a really good job of keeping these pretty small in size. For a 3/8 impact socket set, the overall thickness of the sockets is very impressive. Nothing compared to 1/2 inch drive sockets. 1/2 inch drive sockets, you tend to see, doesn't matter whether it's cheap or expensive. Even some of my Matco ones, the more expensive ones, have really thick walls, and that's to absorb those higher impacts when using 1/2 inch drive impact sockets. But when it's 3/8, they're all going to be a little bit thinner compared to your 1/2 inch drive. You used to find that a lot of the cheaper ones had a lot of material, where the more expensive ones, they kind of trimmed it down so you could get into tighter spaces. It's kind of a trade-off, because the thicker it is, this also has to do with the steel material makeup and heat treatment when it comes to absorbing impacts. And there's a lot of things that factor into how a socket holds up. The steel type, the heat treatment, the wall thickness. There's a lot of things that play a role in it. And in the cheaper ones, you used to get really thick sockets. you know, just less work into the socket. So they did a really good job of keeping these very comparable. So if we look at the 17, we're looking at right at the top 23.81, and my Capri 24.02. This is a 22 millimeter socket coming in at basically 30 millimeter, and the 22 here coming in at 29.86. But even looking at just an independent sidewall here, you're looking at 3.89, 3.9, and then here we have 3.93. So pretty decent job on the size of the sockets, not being overly bulky, not being extremely thin. There's just a quick look at both of them. And then just real quickly, we'll look at the fitment. Honestly, fitment is very, very good. Just enough room there for a small amount of movement, whether you have rusted fasteners or fasteners with a little wear on them. You can still get over the fastener, but not so much to where it's going to round the fastener off. And then as far as how far the broach is, you can see the bolt can go down, I'd say inch, inch and a half. And it may differ from socket to socket, yeah, just over an inch. And Casoman does have multiple different sets. This is just their 49-piece 3H drive metric and SAE set. They also have this kind of same setup for 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch drive, and they have other sets available. But I'm going to go ahead and use these for a couple weeks, try and use as much as I can here at the house on the project car, and I will keep you guys updated and we'll wrap this video up. Okay, so we're back. It's been just over 2 weeks, and I was going to do another week, but I'm getting ready to leave, not tomorrow, but the next day. And I'm going to be gone for basically a week. So I figured I'd at least get this finished up, share my thoughts with you. Another week really isn't going to make a difference. What is really going to make a difference is the update I do on this 6 months down the road, which is where we'll really see how they're holding up. But just first impressions after using them for a couple weeks. I haven't used any of the SAE. Honestly, I've been working on my new GR86, so obviously all metric. But it is nice having a set that is both metric and SAE. I've used the 10, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, and 19. What did I do? I've done quite a few projects on the car. I did the rear toe arms, the traction bars or traction arms, front and rear sway bars, differential bushing inserts, trans mount inserts. So 4 or 5 jobs, and then obviously wheels on and off every single time, and that is the 17 mil. And honestly, over the little over 2 weeks that I've been using them, just like I expected, they've held up phenomenally. I know guys in the professional field that use the cheapest Pittsburgh impact socket sets, and they beat those things to death, and they go strong. And you break one, easy replacement. This set though is priced so well for everything that you get. 5/16 through 3/4 and 8 through 22, skipping that 20. I think it's a great assortment. I think this is going to be fantastic for weekend warriors, DIYers that aren't looking to spend a whole lot but still get something that you can use and abuse. So I mean, they've held up really well just in the couple weeks that I've been using them. The black phosphate finish, the laser engraving has held up. I mean, obviously it's going to take time for that to wear down, but I haven't cracked anything. The bottoms haven't started to wear out in the corners or anything like that. There are some brands out there that you will get immediate wear, and so far these have held up really well. But once again, I will do a 6-month update on these and see how they've been. Unless I crack one or something excessive wear, if that happens before 6 months, then I'll do an update before then. But other than that, stay tuned for the 6-month update. But let's get into the pricing. So the 3H drive set we're looking at here, $39. And actually, when I just looked at it a little bit ago, it was on sale at like $35, which is phenomenal. I mean, that is a really good price for this variety of SAE and metric, shallow and deep, with the reducer with a universal and extensions and an adapter for your impact driver. Then they also have a 1/4 inch drive set at 55 pieces. This is $49. The 1/4 inch drive set is 55 pieces, and that one is $38. And then they also have a 1/2 inch drive set that is 70 pieces, and that one's 125. So honestly, that pricing is really good. But the 1/4 inch drive and this 3/8 drive set is priced really well. And honestly, I think these things are going to take plenty of abuse without a problem. But once again, I will keep you guys updated. Fitment was good. They held up well, and no excessive wear. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I'll have this link down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested in the Casoman 3/8 drive 49 piece set of impact sockets. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.